Repairing a crack in a polyethylene shell can be simple if you follow these steps. Tools and supplies required are foam wedge blocks, gap filler, natural polyethylene, drill with a number 2 Phillips bit, soldering iron, a liquid cleaner such as Simple Green, orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, heat gun, Dremel tool with 1/8 or larger engraving bit depending on the size of the repair. Begin by removing the outside panels and the insulation. Identify each foam block for placement. The blocks are specifically designed to fit around the pre-existing support connectors. Insert each foam wedge as shown in the diagram. Because the space is tight, insert the blocks in the proper direction, then rotate as needed into position. Be certain that the wedges are in their proper position and firmly inserted all the way under the footwell. Once all inserts are in their position, spray gap filler around the foam to lock it into position to avoid any shift while moving the spa. Then inside the spa, use the liquid cleaner to make sure the surface is clean and dry. Using the Dremel tool, scar an enlarged area over the crack to ensure you covered the entire cracked area. Be careful not to cut through the shell. Using the soldering iron, pre-warm the natural polyethylene in the area to be repaired. Note: it is very important to make sure both the polyethylene and the shell are hot for it to bond properly. Once the area is heated, place the polyethylene into the crack and melt it into the area using the soldering iron. Be sure to adequately fill the entire area. Allow the polyethylene to cool before proceeding. Once cooled, use the orbital sander to smooth any raised areas in excess. Then wipe away any loose dust. Then using the heat gun, warm the sanded area until the surface has blended back to its natural color. Then water test the area to confirm the leak is fixed